Lok Sabha mikhal the outer Manipur parliamentary constituency the NPF ki meerep oiriba Kachui Timothy Zimik ki campaign ngasidagi Ukhrul District new Canaan Ground houkhre. Thauram maduga mari lenana NPF ki meerep oiriba Kachui Timothy Zimik na haikibada Manipur da laiminariba furup khodimak amato wenungsi sanana laiminaba mathau tai aikhoi masel gi marakta thajaba thamladuna singamadi tamgi haiba khenaba thamdana punna hingminase loinana election gi matamda khana sainaba thokandana ingna sekna miyamna bothadabiu Manipur gi hauzi oriba phiba masi athuba matamda loisinduna mausagum tangdu laita balamda mama lakna na bahona bada aikoi puna sar yamina batangai fade handagi mikhala sida mahak miyam gi mihut ama ohena na ba hona ba haiba se miyam gi khutta lai haina su fongduki.
We need changes and make Manipur a much better place to live in harmony and shared prosperity. All communities in Manipur must coexist in peace with mutual respect for each other and also understanding. Manipur gi ichin announcing aikoi mayam changlaga Manipur she shemkat she masi aikoi mayam gi thapakni haibasi nakoibo ena she hajin ninge.
Campaign aduda saru yaraduna hel minister sapam ranjana fongdoki bada kumjalisni taratari ki March thad NPF NPP amadi BJP punna amat oina punduna miyamna khanba sungsinaba lengak ama semki loinana Manipur gi chief minister oina NB ne wasak lauki banamit adudagi hauduna Manipur saukhataba yade Manipur saukhanaba honagani haina lauthoki State Cabinet mifam singamadi tamgi mafam khodimakta taugani haibu wafam phongdoktuna singamadi tamda leiba lengaki loisang kayada cabinet mifam phamduna lakli masida natana hill leaders day miyamgi numit pangthoktuna miyamgi apamba aningba madi awara passing phongdokna duna lengak asina paikhatpa yaba thabak tharum sing pangthoktuna paikhatuna lakli haiki.
Health sector the improvement thamnanaba India gi one of the first health schemes matamda honorable chief minister ki magi wakhal lom deki thola so this is what you call governance and what better way of showing that we are united for the people of Manipur for the state of Manipur karamba government na inner line permit system it is for the people, for the indigenous people. NRC push the process. So that is the importance of a government for the indigenous people.